Get ready for the best steak ever. If you've ever dreamed of making a steak that's juicy, tender, and bursting with flavor, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking steak night to a whole new level. We're making a juicy, perfectly cooked steak with a creamy, garlicky sauce that's out of this world. Imagine the aroma of sizzling steak filling your kitchen and the rich, velvety sauce melting over each slice. This isn't just any steak, it's a restaurant-quality meal you can make at home, without the hefty price tag or the need for a reservation. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create something so impressive. The secret? That rich, dreamy sauce made right in the same pan as the steak. All those flavors from the seared meat get whisked into the sauce, making every bite unforgettable. All those brown bits from the steak go straight into the sauce for maximum flavor. That's where the magic happens. Those little caramelized pieces are pure gold for your taste buds. It's fast, easy, and guaranteed to impress, perfect for a weeknight or a special occasion. Whether you're cooking for family, friends, or just treating yourself, this recipe is a showstopper. No fancy chef skills needed, just simple steps and great ingredients. With a few basic techniques, you'll get steakhouse results right in your own kitchen. We'll walk through everything together, from picking the perfect cut of steak to prepping the freshest ingredients for that luscious sauce. I'll share tips for choosing the best meat and how to get that perfect sear. This is the kind of dinner you'll crave again and again. Each bite is juicy, flavorful, and absolutely satisfying. Trust me, you'll want to make this part of your regular rotation. Ready to turn a simple steak into something unforgettable? With just a handful of ingredients and a little know-how, you'll wow everyone at the table. Grab your apron and let's get started. Gather your favorite utensils, set out your ingredients, and get ready for a fun, delicious cooking adventure. We're about to make a meal you'll remember. This is more than just dinner. It's an experience you'll want to share. Let's head to the kitchen and make some magic happen. Fire up your stove and let's get cooking together. You'll never look at steak the same way again. Let's do this and create a steak masterpiece you'll be proud of. Here's what you need for steak night. A simple, delicious meal that's sure to impress, whether you're cooking for yourself, family, or friends. Let's make sure you have everything on hand for a truly memorable dinner. Start with 2 thick, juicy steaks. Ribeye or New York strip are perfect choices for their marbling and flavor. If you want something leaner, sirloin is a great alternative. Season your steaks generously with coarse salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Drizzle a little olive oil over both sides to help create that irresistible golden crust when you sear them. For the sauce, you'll need a good amount of butter. This is what gives your sauce its rich, silky texture and deep flavor. 4 cloves of garlic, minced finely, will add a punch of aromatic flavor to your sauce. If you love garlic, feel free to add an extra clove. You'll also need half a cup of chicken or beef broth. Either works well, so use what you have. This will help deglaze the pan and build a savory base for your sauce. Add half a cup of heavy cream for a luscious, velvety finish. This brings everything together and makes your sauce extra special. For a touch of brightness, add a splash of white wine or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This step is optional, but it really lifts the flavors and balances the richness. Don't forget fresh herbs. Chopped parsley or chives make a beautiful garnish and add a pop of color and freshness to your plate. And for a final flourish, a bit of grated Parmesan cheese adds a savory, nutty note that takes your steak night to the next level. If you don't have ribeye, sirloin is a great substitute. No heavy cream? No problem. Half and half works just fine and still gives you a creamy sauce. If you're out of fresh garlic, garlic powder is a handy substitute. Just use about a teaspoon to get that garlicky kick. The key is to use what you have on hand and make the recipe your own. Don't stress if you're missing an ingredient, improvise and have fun with it. Cooking should be fun, creative, and stress-free. Enjoy the process and don't worry about making everything perfect. So check your pantry, jot down your shopping list, and get ready to create a meal that's both simple and packed with big, bold flavors. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about enjoying the experience and sharing good food with people you care about. This meal is all about savoring great taste, not fussing over tiny details. Let your kitchen fill with amazing aromas and excitement. Ready to get started? Let's move on to prepping the steak and making your kitchen smell incredible. You're just a few simple steps away from steak night greatness. Grab your ingredients, bring your appetite, and let's get cooking! First, let your steaks sit at room temperature for 20-30 minutes. Pat them dry with paper towels. This helps get that perfect sear. Generously season both sides with coarse salt and black pepper. Press the seasoning in so it sticks. Don't forget the edges. Drizzle a little olive oil over each steak and rub it in. This helps the seasoning stick and prevents sticking in the pan. A dry, well-seasoned steak is the secret to a beautiful crust. Now your steaks are prepped and ready for the heat. Simple steps, big results. Ready to cook? Let's get that pan hot. The sizzle is coming. Get excited. This is where the magic starts. Let's move to the stove. Heat a heavy pan, cast iron is best, over medium-high until it's smoking hot. Add your steaks and let them sear without moving for 3-5 minutes. Flip and sear the other side for another 3-5 minutes. For extra flavor, sear the edges too. Once done, transfer steaks to a plate and let them rest for 5-10 minutes. Resting keeps the juices in the steak, making every bite tender and juicy. Don't rush this step, it's worth it. While the steak rests, we'll make the sauce. The hardest part is waiting, but it pays off. Your steak is almost ready to shine. Get ready for the next step. The best is yet to come. Let's make that sauce. Now let's build our sauce right in the same pan you used for the steak. Don't even think about cleaning it. All those caramelized bits and juices left behind are pure flavor gold. Lower the heat to medium so nothing burns, but everything melds together beautifully. Drop in a generous knob of butter, and as it melts, use a wooden spoon to gently scrape up every last browned bit stuck to the bottom. This is where the magic starts. The butter will pick up all those savory notes and create a rich base for your sauce. Next, toss in some freshly minced garlic. Stir it around and let it cook just until it's fragrant, about 30 seconds. You want the garlic to release its aroma without turning brown or bitter. If you're feeling fancy, add a splash of white wine. Let it bubble and sizzle for a minute, which helps lift even more flavor from the pan and adds a subtle tang that balances the richness. Pour in some good quality broth. Chicken or beef both work great. As you add it, keep scraping the pan to make sure you're getting every bit of flavor into the sauce. Let the mixture simmer for a couple of minutes. This reduces the liquid and concentrates all those delicious flavors, making your sauce even more intense and savory. Now lower the heat and pour in some heavy cream. Stir it in slowly, watching as the sauce transforms into a silky, creamy dream. The cream will mellow out the flavors and give your sauce that luxurious texture. Let the sauce simmer gently for another 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. You'll see it thicken up and become glossy, coating the back of your spoon perfectly. If you love cheese, now's the time to stir in some freshly grated Parmesan. It'll melt right in, making the sauce even richer and adding a wonderful nutty depth. Give your sauce a taste and season with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Adjust until it's just right for your palate. The finished sauce should be rich, creamy, and absolutely packed with layers of flavor. Perfect for draping over your steak. And that's it. Your dreamy, creamy sauce is ready to go. It's the ultimate finishing touch. Pour that luscious sauce generously over your rested steak, letting it cascade over each slice. This is what truly takes your steak to the next level. Restaurant quality. Right at home. Time to plate up and enjoy every bite. Finish your steak with fresh herbs. Parsley or chives add color and freshness. Crumble blue cheese or feta over the hot steak for a tangy twist. A squeeze of lemon or a splash of balsamic glaze brightens the flavors. Toasted almonds or pine nuts add crunch and nuttiness. Like heat, sprinkle on red pepper flakes for a spicy kick. These little extras make your meal pop and look amazing. Mix and match to suit your taste and mood. Don't be afraid to experiment with new flavors. The finishing touches make it special. Now let's taste and enjoy. Slice into your steak. It's juicy, tender, and perfectly cooked. Top with that creamy garlic sauce and take a bite. The flavors are rich, savory, and unforgettable. It's a restaurant-worthy meal made in your own kitchen. The sauce and steak are a perfect match. Each bite is pure joy. This recipe is simple, fast, and always impressive. Make it for family, friends, or just yourself. You deserve it. Save this recipe and make it your new go-to. Pair it with mashed potatoes, roasted veggies, or a crisp salad. Let us know your favorite side in the comments. You're ready to make the best steak of your life. Get cooking and enjoy every bite. You've got this.